The following video contains scenes that is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla! Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, in this video, I'm going to present to you a video that's circulated on social media. And this video that I'm about to present to you is a shocking video. You see what I'm saying to you? This video is about a female who had been shot and killed in church during service. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, I saw more than one news articles about the incident, and according to some things that those news articles said, it is said that the incident happened within the parish that is known as Trelawny, that is within the country known as Jamaica, on the 31st of January, the year 2021. Yeah, according to some things that the news article said, it is said that the incident happened on Sunday, January 31, the year 2021. Now, viewers and subscribers, before I present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, I'm going to read just some things that have been said in a news article so that you can get a better understanding as to what had happened. Viewers and subscribers, I'm telling you from right now that the video and the things that I'm about to read might be somewhat disturbing to you, my viewers and subscribers, all right? A part of the news article said that gunmen continue to show their scant regard for life locally as they entered a church in Falmouth, Trelawny, and shot a woman dead during a Sunday morning service. You see? According to the news article, it is said that the female who had been shot and killed is said to be an employee of the National Commercial Bank, and according to the news article, it is said that the name of the female is Andrea Lowe Garwood. You see me? According to another part of the news article, it is said that indications are that Garwood, or the female, was praying in church when a man who was seated behind her opened gunfire, hitting her multiple times. See it? And there's a part of the news article that said that the shooter escaped in a white Toyota motor car, but reported left behind a cell phone, which investigators are now scouring for clues. Viewers and subscribers, it's really sad to know that something like this happened. You see? I'm going to leave this video with you, my viewers and subscribers. You know, yeah, I'm going to leave a video with you, my viewers and subscribers. You know, yeah, this video that I'm going to leave with you is about the incident that happened where it is said that a female had been shot and killed inside a church. You see me? Viewers and subscribers, I'm going to tell you from right now that this video is disturbing. In this video, you can hear shots fired. You understand me? And in this video, you can hear persons screaming and saying other things as well. You see me? So viewers and subscribers, before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video, it is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, all right? All right, so I'm going to present this video to you, and you know, big up and respect to each and every one, and stay safe. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it.
you know where I watch.